Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flat pry tool, a trim removal tool, a 10 mm socket with ratchet, and the replacement Toyota Sienna door handle. Lay tools on a towel and work on a level surface with the ignition off and the window fully up to avoid pinch hazards. Before you remove the panel, set aside 3 small screws and 1 plastic clip in a magnetic tray. Allow about 20 to 30 minutes total for a novice. Keep the vehicle locked so keys are not lost. Start by prying off the inner trim bezel around the handle with the flat pry tool to expose 3 screws and 1 wiring connector. Remove the 3 screws with the Phillips and place them in your tray, then gently pry the door panel's lower edge with the trim tool to release the plastic clips, pulling firmly and lifting upward to disengage the top lip. Disconnect the power window switch harness by depressing its tab, and set the switch and bezel aside so the panel can swing free without strain on wiring. Access the exterior handle area through the panel opening and remove 2 or 3 10 mm bolts holding the old handle. Lift the handle out while noting the orientation of the linkage and plastic clip. Fit the new handle by aligning the linkage, reinsert the plastic clip, and thread the 10 mm bolts by hand before tightening snugly with the socket. Avoid over-torquing. Reconnect the power switch, test the handle, lock function, and window operation to confirm proper function, then reinstall the trim and screws.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.